interlude and second verse to Oceans, the one guitar part, we're moving from a B minor, which will be at the 7th fret, and we're thinking about our frets. We're thinking the ones with the dots are the odd numbers, so that's easy to remember. 3, 5, 7, 9. So then we start to put the actual chord names with them. G, we know that one from being that. Well, a whole step away from that, that's easy to remember. A, so that's the 5th fret's A. 6, A sharp or B flat. Then 7 is that's our C sharp that we're looking for, or that's our B rather. Sorry. C, half step, then to C sharp. But in this song, we're using this. We're using the 6th string, E string, and the G string, both on the 7th fret. We're not using our A string. So I sometimes I'll lay my finger down a little bit, so I just kind of dampen it so I don't hit it because we're finger picking. All right, we're playing this pattern in our right hand, kind of just tucking my pick away like we do. So 6, 4, 3, 4, string wise. Then I'm going to slide it up a whole step for one beat, or 2 beats, just like 1, 3, 4, and okay, so that's the first 2 shapes. So that's your A over C sharp if you're looking at the chart. Then I get to a D, and I got to move my ring finger up a half step. So then I've got fret 10 right here. So I'm counting back. I know the 2 dots are 12, 11, 10, and then I got fret 11 on my G string. Same picking pattern now. I'm gonna do that slow up until that point, so it's like 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and when I'm doing that, I'm pulling my elbow in and out, as simple as that. Instead of me, I can't get my hand around that one. My elbow's kind of out on these that are straight under each other. Now I'll pull my elbow in, which naturally brings my finger this way, right? So that gives me that. So far, that's our B minor. That's our C over A sharp. Here's our D. Then D slash F sharp. D over F sharp is when I put my pinky on for that 1 beat. Now I go down here to A, which we remember was the 5th fret was A. Because if we made bar chords like we know how to make, that F sharp. So if I can make that a G sharp, A, so that's a dead giveaway that's my A. So I'm taking this shape that we had in D, and I'm taking it down to A, 5th and 6th fret, same pattern. Putting my pinky on, going to my G, 3rd fret and 4th fret. So half notes there, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I'm gonna play that not quite up to speed and try to count it so it makes sense for you. The shapes are B minor, C over A, D, D over F sharp, A, and actually this is not on the chart, this is actually a passing tone to the G and back to the A, but it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 it just starts over. But it's actually up to speed pretty good. Just take your time on getting it up to speed. It's you get the shapes down, move them around, get your muscle memory with your right hand on the, because we got to go back and we're going to play our pick when it comes back to the regular old chorus, big old regular chords. But it's like this in the interlude in verse 2. It's about at this tempo. If I go G, G. back to big chords right there. That's the hard part of the song, but you'll get it.